Our babies are back to school. Barry, Sonny, Chili, where are you? Can you see them? Oh, there you are. Why don't you go and play with the others? Looks like the babies are not so confident about their first day. Your teacher Lily is right. Go and mingle a little. Come on, Sonny, get in line. You can do it. Come on, Chili. Go have fun with your new friend. Come on, Barry. Time to spin. See, babies? School is an awesome place to make new friends. Today is Sonny's birthday. Everyone's preparing a surprise. What a mystery. Let's investigate.
Hey!
Really, Ben? You don't know what this is?
Whoa!
Looks like the mystery is not over yet. Let's follow Ben. Come on, open it.
Whoa!
It looks like Carrie's clothes. Maybe we should go see her. Come on, Sonny. Jump. You could do better than that. Yeah, way to go, Sonny!
Huh?
Happy birthday, Sonny! Hey, Gary, what are you doing? Oh, I see. You guys are playing hide and seek, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. Gary's almost done counting. Let's see where the babies are. Hi, Barry. The construction site should be a good place to hide. You're right. Hi, Sonny. Gary's never gonna find you inside that maze. Now let's see where Chili is. Chili? Try again, Gary. Looks like the babies aren't here. You're right, Gary. These babies really know how to hide. Oh, look who's here. It's the game, Barry. Now get down so we can go and find your friends. Looks like there's no one here. There's another baby here. Two babies found, only one to go. Let's go find Chili, everyone. Chili! Where can that baby be? Chili? Chili? Did you find him? Okay, Chili, you win. Come out now. Wait a minute. It seems like it's coming from... It's coming from you, Gary. You were hidden inside Gary's trunk this whole time?